What is asset protection?
Asset protection is safeguarding one's wealth against potential creditors.
Who needs asset protection?
Anyone who can have creditors need asset protection. Your creditors can be your ex-spouse, your patient, your contractor, someone who ever worked for you, someone you got into a car accident with, and of course, medical insurance.
How asset protection can help people who are planning to retire?
If you are planning to retire, you absolutely have to do your asset protection and your estate planning. I have a current case where the person who was planning to retire was involved in a very bad car accident. Unfortunately, the victim died, and the person who was driving the car, my client, was responsible. All of his assets, everything that he ever worked for, including his house, his investment properties, his pension plan, his benefits, were now under a big lawsuit. What can he do right now? This is a problem. If you need to do asset protection, you need to think ahead. You need to do it ahead of time.
When should asset protection be done?
Asset protection has to be done as soon as possible. Don't wait until you're being sued, because at this point it can be too late. There is a law of fraudulent conveyance that may not allow you to transfer your assets once you're being sued. If you have small children, make sure you protect your assets to have your little children receive something in the event of your death or disability. If you have elderly parents, make sure you do your asset protection to make sure your elderly parent receives something in the event of your death. If you're a medical doctor, make sure you do your asset protection to make sure that you are not being sued for malpractice, and if you are, that your assets are protected. If you're a contractor, make sure you do your asset protection, because any of your workers can sue you. Asset protection has to be done as soon as possible, and if you need your asset protection done, call the law office of Ina Fershteyn today at 718-333-2394, and we can see how we can help you.